Martha thought she was protecting her joints. Every morning, she blended a super smoothie she saw recommended online. Spinach, berries, almond butter, and soy milk. She believed it was fueling her body. But within months, her knees screamed with every step. Her fingers stiffened, and opening jars became nearly impossible. The heartbreaking part? It wasn't her age. It was the very smoothie she trusted. Here's the part no one tells seniors. One common smoothie combo, eaten by millions every day, may quietly destroy your joints from the inside out. And today, you'll see how one simple swap, even something as warm and comforting as sautéed veggies, may begin easing pain within weeks. So what went wrong? Why did a drink meant to heal slowly tear Martha down? The answer lies in hidden compounds called oxalates. They're found in healthy foods like spinach, almonds, and certain berries. Too many oxalates can form sharp crystals in the body, like sprinkling sand inside the hinges of a door. Every time you move, the irritation builds, and over time, stiffness and joint pain creep in. But oxalates aren't the only hidden danger. Many nut and soy milks are filled with gums and additives that inflame the gut. And when the gut is inflamed, the immune system often targets the joints too. It's a double hit: irritation from oxalates and inflammation from additives. Now imagine this. Every morning, you're unknowingly pouring that irritation right into your body. It feels healthy, but inside, it's wearing you down. So how do you fix it? How did Martha turn her mornings from painful to powerful? Her first change was simple. Instead of spinach, she reached for low oxalate greens. Romaine, kale, and arugula became her new go-to. These greens are still rich in vitamins, but much easier on the joints. That one swap cut her oxalate load almost in half. Next, she traded almond butter for pumpkin seed butter. Pumpkin seeds are rich in magnesium, which helps relax tight muscles and support joint function. And they're much lower in oxalates. Just a spoonful added creaminess without the pain. Third, she switched from nut milks to unsweetened coconut milk. Coconut is naturally soothing and anti-inflammatory, and it's far easier on the digestive system. Within weeks, Martha noticed her bloating decrease and her joints felt less stiff. And then came her favorite swap. Sometimes she skipped the smoothie altogether and started her day with lightly sautéed veggies in olive oil. Cooking breaks down oxalates, making vegetables safer for the joints. Plus, the healthy fats in olive oil help absorb vitamins better. A quick sauté of zucchini, kale, and mushrooms became her warm, joint-friendly breakfast. And finally, she added collagen powder. Collagen provides the raw material the body uses to rebuild cartilage, tendons, and ligaments. Think of it like patching tiny cracks in a road before they turn into potholes. With regular use, her joints began to feel stronger and more supported. The results were life-changing. After 4 weeks of these swaps, Martha could walk her dog without limping. By 8 weeks, she could stand from her favorite chair without pushing off with both arms. For the first time in years, she felt her body working with her instead of against her. And here's the good news. You don't need to change everything at once. Just start with one swap. Tomorrow morning, instead of spinach, toss romaine in your blender. Or skip the smoothie altogether and try that quick plate of sautéed veggies with olive oil. See how your body responds. Small, steady shifts can create huge results. This is the same step-by-step approach we guide seniors through in the 30 Days to Stronger Joints plan. It's designed for adults 50+ who want to ease pain naturally, rebuild mobility, and move with confidence again without depending on endless pills. And if Martha's story opened your eyes, wait until you watch the video on your screen, the 6 shocking avocado traps. Now I want to hear from you. What's one food you once thought was healthy, but later realized wasn't working for your body? Share it in the comments below.